What if I told you today that you could change your phone GPS location to anywhere in the world in just a single click? Whether you want to protect your privacy, access location-based apps, or play games without actually moving. Today I'm going to show you how to fake your GPS location on iPhone and as well as Android using magfone location changer. It doesn't require jailbreak, it doesn't require rooting. The process is super simple. So if you ever wanted your phone to think you are somewhere else, this video is definitely for you. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So like I said before, you can do that now with just a single click by using magfone location changer, which is totally compatible with the iOS 26 and Android 16. It can easily change your iPhone and Android location without jailbreak or root, like I mentioned before, along with customized routes and speed. It has also got several modes to get flexible GPS movement, work well with most location-based apps like Pokemon Go and social media application, which I'll be using in this video, and also help support the latest version of iOS and Android as well. The magfone location is quite easy for beginners, and as well as it has got a lot of good reviews from around the world. I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, let's just simply click on download, as I'll be using computer version, so I will go with the Windows and click on free trial. I've mentioned the downloading in the description of the magfone location changer. You can simply download it from there. Downloading, install it into your PC or Mac if you have downloaded the Mac version, and then simply click on run the application. Now this is a very quite friendly interface of magfone location changer. The only thing you just need to keep in mind, and this is definitely the right time to do that, it's basically offering 70% off on its paid version for yearly license, 10 cents a day. You can also get monthly license, lifetime license, and this is definitely the best time as they are offering a huge discount. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. The only thing you just need to do, connect your iPhone to the desktop. And after that, you would be able to see your phone on the connected devices. Just click on your device and then click on next button. After that, you will get to simulation mode. The first one is specifically for games and the second one is general mode. As in this video, we'll be testing the application on location based game and as well as on social media applications. So I will just click on general mode. And after clicking on that, and now you can see this is a very friendly interface of magfone location changer. Now first of all, let me just show you my real location. As you can see, I'm somewhere in UK, and as you can see on my phone as well. Now let's just change my location with just a single click. So first of all, I will show you how you can use the search bar inside the application. Simply, I will just search Italy on my search bar, as you can see, and I will click on Italy, and here you go. At this point, I'm using jump teleport mode, so I'm using the first option. As you can see on the right top corner, I've clicked on that modification and click OK, and boom. Now as you can see that the icon is also disappeared from my phone, which was literally here before, and now it's completely jumped to Italy. So if I show you my real location, which my phone thinks that where we are, basically it will be Italy, as you can see right here. So like I mentioned before, now you can change your location in just a single click. And let me show that again on my WhatsApp. So basically, if I send my live location to someone right now, and now as you can see, this is my location. If I click on it, instead of UK, it will be definitely showing Italy, because that's what my phone location at the moment. As you can see, like that. It's quite crazy, but this is what it is, and the magfone can do that with just a single click. Not just that, but let me show you on the Pokemon Go as well, and at this point we are somewhere in Italy according to my real location. And as well as on the Snapchat, as you can see, that was my real location before, and if I click on my actual location now, that would be Italy. So basically, you can change your location to anywhere you want in the world. Just search your country or any specific location and you will be there. Now let's just use this two spot mode feature inside the magfone location changer, as I've already clicked on that. So now basically what you can do with that, select any location you want to travel virtually. You can also adjust your speed, and after that just click on plain route and it will show you from where you will be traveling to that location. Click on start moving. Now at this point, if you send your live location to someone, it will be showing that you are actually traveling, but in reality you know that you are not even moving, and everything is done by the magfone location changer. Also, as I've already sent my live location to one of my contacts, and at this point, as you can see, they will be thinking that I'm traveling with the speed of 108 km per hour, which I've selected to car, and you can also select to cycle, you can also select to walking, and as well as to motorcycle. As you can see now, it's moving slowly because it's 3.2 km per hour, because I've switched into walking. And now let's try the multi-sport mode, which is quite similar to single sport mode, but here you can select manual location as much as you want. So basically, if you want to travel so many different locations, it could be in a location based game, or it could be like in case if you want to trick someone, just select manual location as much as you want. For now I will just simply select 10. You can adjust your speed here as well and click on start. Now as you can see that it's moving to location 1. After reaching there, it will start moving towards location 2, and then 3, 4, and so on. And same goes in the Snapchat. As you can see that it's moving. So if someone wants to track me at this point, it would be definitely showing whichever location I've put in the magfone location changer. You can see that on the Apple map, it's actually showing the virtual location. So for now, you can easily track or play with your loved ones by using this application, and they won't be able to track you where you are. Now let's try the jump teleport mode. So at this point, select any location where you want to be, and after that click on start moving, and you will be there in a second. As you can see now, I'm just jumping here, and my location has been changed to the new location. As you can see now, I'm jumping back to my own location. So you can jump now to any location where you want to with jump teleport feature. Then we have got joystick mode. So basically this is also very useful in case if you want to play location based game, and actually this is also one of the quite safest feature, especially in Pokemon Go, that the system won't be able to track you, and you will be able to play your game and move freely without any tracking mechanism. At this point I'm showing you on Snapchat. As you can see that my character is moving, and this is basically the system thing. I'm traveling to somewhere with the speed of cycle. Now I'm simply switching it to walking. You can switch it to motor car, as it's up to you. So like I said before, you can simply change with a simple click, and as well as you can also manage so many devices. You can also check your history and favorite location from here, and then you can also import your GPX file. You can also jump to your virtual location where you are at the moment, and then finally, if you want to go back to a real location, we have got button which is switch button. If you click on that to restart your device, and then when you click on it, your iPhone will get restarted. As you can see, our has just got restarted. Now you can also unplug your device, and when your iPhone turned on, let me show that my real location, which would be definitely UK, as our location has been reset by using the reset button on the device inside. As you can see, actual location is now UK again with just a single click. So that's it. Let me know if you guys have got any questions regarding the magfone location changer. Please leave a comment and I will definitely reply to you as soon as possible. The download link is also mentioned in the description as well as in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.